I think we are live now. So let's start the session. So today we have with us Mr. Ashish Kaushik. He is the founder and CEO for Regrob. So Ashish sir, today first of all I would like to welcome you to this webinar, and we are going live on
We are live now.
YouTube. We have a lot of people right now with us, those who have joined our live.
Have with us.
So your presence is very valuable. So welcome to our webinar today.
Ashish sir, today, first
Thanks,
of all, I would
Sagar.
like to
Thanks a
welcome
lot.
you to this
I think
webinar, and we are going live on
the session which
YouTube.
we
We
are
have a
doing
lot of
is
people
extremely
right now
important
with
for
us who have
prospective
joined our live.
entrepreneurs who are looking to
So
build
your
their
presence is
business
very
through
valuable.
franchisee.
So
Uh,
welcome to our webinar today.
I
So
welcome
today,
all the
Thanks,
people
Sagar.
who are
Thanks a
watching the
lot.
show.
I think
Yeah. The session which we are doing is extremely important for
Our voice is echoing, I said. I think, sir.
through franchisee. Yes.
There's some issue, I believe.
I think it is better now.
Yes, it is very much better now. So, Ashish sir, we'll start with a very important thing which we have noticed, or maybe we have been asked multiple times. As a CEO of a franchise, I take care of the entire expansion of franchise with Regrob. So we get a very we say frequent question from our aspiring entrepreneurs, or maybe the people who wanted to take Regrob franchise about Regrob is that what is the asset light business model? So, can you please brief up a little bit about the asset light business model, and then we can take the conversation ahead from there. So, our audience have certain questions today
Yes,
from
Sagar.
you.
See, asset light business model is a business with freedom. With
Right.
freedom to do business without incurring a lot of costs which are not necessary, as well as which block you from pursuing your dream of having a profitable business. So asset light means there are three different kind of businesses. First is asset heavy business. You have lot of assets. You have taken an office on rent. You have taken a shop on rent, or any other real estate you have taken on rent, for which you are giving rent, that is lease. You are giving electricity bill. You are having n number of expenses associated to that real estate. You are having a office boy, you are having a shop person who is just cleaning that up, so that is the first cost. Then you have got employee cost. Lot of employee do the things. One does operational thing for you, one does sales thing for you. So all those redundant costs which are not directly giving you revenue, which are not giving you profits directly, we have cut in Regrob franchisee business. So that is asset light business for us. And we have seen that all the people who are into asset light business, they can pursue their business dreams with a lot of freedom, because they do not have a lot of expenses to incur each and every month, even if sales is happening or not. And even if sales is revenue is coming, lot of expenses there, so profit doesn't come up.
Correct, correct,
So that
correct.
is the beauty of asset light business. I
So,
recommend all the entrepreneurs, all the newbie entrepreneurs, that they should focus on in the era of technology and AI and internet. One should focus on asset light business model, utilizing all this technology, which we do at Regrob, to pursue the freedom business, lifestyle business that Regrob is. Yes, yes, Sagar.
great. So, you have given a very consistent answer to the question. But see, I am into this industry, and we are seeing a lot of franchise businesses which has been expanding in India. So I have a second question: why this asset light business model is gaining a lot of popularity? Like, I have seen a lot of other businesses also showing that they are also asset light, as Regrob is. So how from where this popularity came to India about asset light business model?
Yes. See, asset light business model started gaining ground when internet came up. So
Okay,
with internet, lot of people started building businesses that were on internet, and lot of automation was being done by technology itself. So those people are building businesses where they were free. They could go on holidays without anything keeping them busy at a geographical location, except some days. You have to be there some days. So they were free from lot of expenses, day-to-day expenses, their shop was being run on internet. Lot of automation technology is taking care of lot of client follow-up like CRM and all these things. These all things are on cloud. These
Hmm.
all things are not a physical asset which you have to take care on day-to-day basis. It's not like a locker with some gold that somebody has to be there 24/7 to keep it safe. So we built this business, Regrob business in real estate. People started seeing Uber, people started seeing Flipkart, Amazon of the world, and they started seeing that kind of business, which was giving people lot of
Correct.
freedom to pursue their other things. They, yes, they have to focus on the business, but not all time. They, all the redundant things taken uh, were taken out of the equation by the technology. So we did this, and it has started gaining a lot of ground because these days people want to focus more on business, more on profitability rather than redundant costs and redundant responsibilities also.
So, Ashish, we have a certain audience with us. I was thinking that we can discuss on the asset light business model, but I believe this is not a justice for our audience also sitting with us. So, what we'll do, I was just thinking to take some questions from the audience because I'm getting a lot of questions over here. So, I'll take one question because we have one person from Calcutta over here, and he wanted to understand about the Calcutta market on the perspective of Regrob. What do you think? Or maybe is Calcutta right market for Regrob to penetrate at this point of time? Although we have our presence, existing presence in Calcutta, we are working since 7 8 years. We have a ground hold over there. We have our presence over there. But as a viewer, he's from Calcutta, so he's very curious to know. And I am also very curious to know about Calcutta because we have seen a tremendous change in the policies and government, and a lot of discussions in every state, every UT after the election. So, what you thought on Calcutta, Ashish?
Yes, Sagar. Very right question you have asked, because Calcutta is the flavor of the day. Lot of things
Correct.
have changed in Calcutta. So we will start discussing about Calcutta from first thing, from the accessibility point of view and its location in India. So Calcutta is extremely strategic. It has always been strategic. Lot of people wanted to be there, but I would say government problems were there. Bangladesh is nearby, so that kind of problems were there. People, and lot of jobs were not there earlier. The things have started changing. Only 2 3 days back, uh, Indian government announced that there will be a rapid train from Delhi which will go to Siliguri directly. So after that, the time to reach Calcutta from Delhi would be only 6 hours. So that will be a very big boost to a city like Calcutta. Calcutta has always been a big city, but I would say it had been sleeping for long. It is
Correct.
still a big business place, but the focus of Indian government has come on it, and it is the gateway to the Seven Sisters, the northeast part of India, which is gaining ground. So Calcutta is getting a lot of investments and lot of job opportunities because of the government focus. Private focus is also there. Secondly, I would say that is change of state government now, which is a very positive change in terms of Bharatiyata, Indianness. So lot of new investment in real estate is coming from state government, and whenever the guard changes after 10, 15, 20 years, a lot of good things start happening. So that is the thing that is happening now. Lot of focus from state government, lot of incentives, lot of investment is coming from state government there. And third thing, Calcutta people have always been brainy, so a lot of companies are coming there with jobs, and new things are happening there. So all these things augur very well for the real estate there. Now, lot of big players from outside, from all over India would come to Kolkata. Lot of new projects would come up. If you see, RERA was a bit uh, confused there earlier, but now it is coming into its full form. So all these things augur very well for Kolkata real estate.
Please. So, in the conversation what we are having over here, Ashish, we still get a question from Mr. Das from Calcutta, same person who have asked about the potential of Calcutta market. So he have a question like there are different micro markets which we have listed certain names as well, like Neotown, Garia, then Salt Lake, then he also mentioned Jokha. So which would be the right micro market to start at this point of time for an individual who wanted to take Regrob ahead?
Yes. So all the micro markets have a lot of potential in Kolkata. If you see New Town, lot of new strategic buildings, new kind of buildings is there. But all the older city is also coming into its own. And Kolkata is the regional hub. Kolkata is the center place of all the people of a long radius there. Lot of people from Northeast India come to Kolkata for jobs. Lot of people from all over from West Bengal come there for the jobs. And as the system will grow, now lot of people from all over India would be coming to Kolkata.
Yes, even the lot of IT companies I have seen, they are coming to Calcutta, and I heard of a lot of good news in terms of real estate related to Calcutta these days. Even a lot of pre-launches are happening. Builder lobby is very confident, I believe, to enter into Calcutta because we see the names like DLF, we see Shobha, we see Lodha, we see Purvankara, Shapurji. These are
Yes.
big brands, Prestige.
Trump
These
has
are
been
big
there.
brands.
Trump has
Yeah,
been there.
Trump has been there, but these type of brands are not having that visibility in Calcutta at this point of time. Even I heard, or maybe this is through the media, that these type of big developers are even approaching Calcutta in the near future. What is your thoughts onto that?
Yes, yes. See, whenever that development is start happening, it goes into the quantum development. The development becomes faster and faster with each passing years. So the time of Kolkata has come. If you see, Indian real estate is growing very fast. Kolkata
Yeah.
was not growing that fast till now, but now it will join the mainstream. Indian real estate is growing at the CAGR of 14-15% per annum for last decade. But Kolkata had been growing at 7-8%. So there is a big gap now. That gap is gonna be fulfilled very fast
Correct,
now.
correct. So I will just take 1 minute to all my audience. So I wanted to know who all are there from Calcutta. Can you please raise hand so that I can see you guys in the chat, and we'll come to know that how much Calcutta people are excited. So we'll just take a simple pause, Ashish sir, and I'll just check. I started getting the replies as well. I think three. Till now, seven audience are here from Calcutta, and I would like to welcome all of you over here. And I'm not demotivating other city guys. I'll come down to other city, or maybe we'll continue these sessions because this would be very informative. Actually, we can keep it every week related to different cities. I think city-specific webinars are very much needed in India at this
Yes,
point of
yes.
time, so that audience will come to know the potential because people are still taking, or maybe people are still underestimating Calcutta at this point of time. So where we will be, or you will be guiding the audience about the market. So any other thoughts? What you wanted to guide to all our audience from Calcutta over here, Ashish?
Yes. See, if you see Calcutta, uh, I would give you some data, specific data. In 2025 only, Kolkata got 25,000 crore of investment in infrastructure projects in and around Kolkata. See, this infrastructure growth is the thing that leads to real estate growth in short and long term. Metro network is expanding across key corridors in Kolkata. New Town, Rajarhat, and all these surrounding areas are witnessing lot of development now. And this development has started showing itself in the absorption of retail office space also. So if you see, there has been year-on-year growth of 200 and 250 odd percent, take 10% here or there, in global capacity center leasing. So when offices are being leased at that high rate, it means residential real estate will be growing, because if the jobs are coming, residential real estate will grow, commercial real estate will grow. If people will have money, they will spend, and they need to spend on real estate also. Brands will spend, people will spend. So extremely fast growth. Residential uh, market is also seeing growth 5, 6, 7, 8, 10% CAGR for the last decade, and it is set to grow now with new policies and new shift in government paradigm towards Kolkata.
Okay. So, Ashish, I'll just take some more questions. I think I would request my audience to give some more questions to us related to any of the micro market, maybe Calcutta. We can proceed with today, right? Till then, Ashish, what do you like? I have heard certain unique things about Regrob, where asset light business model is one. What do you think, as you are the founder and you have established this organization in 2013? So, what uniqueness you feel that Regrob has for the aspiring entrepreneurs, or maybe the people at which age group should enter Regrob franchise?
See, the biggest advantage Regrob has the advantage of the growing market. We are in the industry that has created the highest number of millionaires, billionaires in India as well as worldwide. We are in that industry.
Correct.
I don't think that anybody can say to any high aspiring young individual that you may become a millionaire by doing this business. But with Recrop, with real estate business, it is quite possible. If you see all around, real estate is the highest asset class. 70% of the people's money is here, and lot of people, everybody has seen make lot of money through real estate. So the first biggest advantage, we are in the right industry, and the second biggest advantage is we have got the right tools at Regrob to tap this industry. We can tap this industry through being people intensive, which we do at Regrob, and being asset light and being technology savvy company.
As
So
you say,
yes.
technology save Ashish, I'm very curious to know about the technology, or maybe this is an era of AI. What Regrob is doing specific towards the changing tech day by day. What we have made. Can you please elaborate on this so that our audience can engage with the USPs of Regrob?
Yes, Sagar, very right, very rightly asked. You use the word AI. So we are using a lot of generative AI things now to make the to give the information faster to the client through our
Correct.
CRM that is AI enabled, that can
Okay.
assess how much the customer propensity is to buy the flat, and to give the right information through our mass media marketing channels, through our website, and through our other information where we disseminate information to a lot of people. So a lot of people come to us for the right kind of information. They have trust on Regrop information about the real estate. Then AI enabled CRM and other softwares which are there to give information in a fast and organized manner to the customer. So that is, I think, a big edge in a market of Indian real estate where Regrov stands out.
Great. So we have a lot of questions over here. I think we should again go with the Calcutta only, and we'll conclude accordingly. So there's one viewer, Mr. Majumdar. He was asking that I am at the age of 25, so whether it would be a right business, because I don't have a knowledge about real estate industry. So what is your thought towards Mr. Majumdar?
Yes. I would just flip this question and I will start answering it from the back portion of this question. So
Okay.
firstly, whenever a person joins as a Regrov franchisee, we give them a lot of training, online as well as offline training. We have got the best trainers and best
Correct.
people to teach them. So we give them a lot of information how real estate works. Then we do offline. Then we get a lot of training from other people. So we prepare you. We prepare our franchisees to take on to excel in this world of real estate. And the first part of this thing, I believe if you start early, if you are at 25 years of age, you can actually make a lot of dent in real estate. We have seen, we have people who are from 50 years of age also joining Regrob. The ideal age, I would say, is 25 to 45. And then
Okay.
if you are above 45 to 50, 55, you need to get into a higher model of Regrob where you can go become a visionary of real estate. So we have got options and we have got the best training to make you excel.
Yeah. Sorry to interrupt you. You are taking the conversation on the business model. I am getting a lot of questions. I am skipping all these questions. I will take it in the little end. I have a question which has been repeatedly asked in this webinar and live, that what would be the investment of Regrob franchise? How much people have to invest? What all are the different franchise models you can offer to all the aspiring entrepreneurs, Ashish? So if you can just elaborate, I'll not tell you all, like I would be very sorry to all our audience. We can't explain the entire business model because it will take maybe, we say 3, 4 days, because we have a process where we, first of all, shortlist the franchise prospect, those who inquire with us. Then after shortlisting, we will have a different calls at different levels according to the business model. Although we have 4 business models right now, which we are running. That is, I am just giving you the answer so that you'll be aware of that we have Regrob Rise with us. That model is for the people, those who just wanted to start. It maybe they wanted to start as along with their job, or they wanted to do a small business, or maybe they just wanted to start something initially, like at a very small scale. Then it would be a right business model. Then we have Regrob Elite with us. That's a go-getter model what Regrob offers. We have we say 40% of our franchise were working into Regrob Elite right now. I believe the number is right, actually. So then we have Regrob Prime, then we have Regrob Titan with us. So these are the different franchise model. But Ashish, I would emphasize you to elaborate about the investment range so that our audience would be free from this question.
So I would say to set up a business in India, our investment is extremely reasonable, and in an asset business where you reap the rewards a lot without incurring a lot of expenses. So I believe we have got starting options from 10 lakh and goes up to more than that. For investment per se, I think if you are watching this webinar and you have a thing in your mind that you should start real estate business, first thing you should see that is real estate right for you, and I believe real estate is right for a lot of people. Then you should think that how Regrob can help you. Then you should get in touch with our team. They will give you the right option by understanding you, because everybody needs different kind of platforms to excel. Everybody needs different kind of solutions. Everybody has different kind of appetite to grow. We will understand you, and that call is no holds, nothing is there. You just get in touch. There must be there will be a link below this. You can fill in the form, our team will connect with you, or you can just directly call at the number and understand things at a deeper level, where we can understand you, you can understand, and we can finally make a win-win model for all the people. So rather
We
than
have
elaborating here, I believe people should get in touch with our entrepreneur team.
Correct. We have 400 plus people watching us live right now on YouTube. And I would like to thank all the audience, those who are watching us live right now. So again, we have a lot of questions, and one question is very common: why we are not doing it as an interactive session? The answer is we have 400 plus, odd people joined us. That's why it is very impossible for us to take everyone on the platform and discuss with them. We will definitely try. If you guys have any question related to Regrob franchise, or you wanted to understand the business model, then definitely I would be doing live sessions with you in the near future going forward. So Ashish, if you wanted to add anything at this point of time, we can. Otherwise, we'll take a leave. to because we have a half-hour session today, I believe. So, anything you wanted to add at this point of time?
Yes, I would just say that entrepreneurship and real estate and coupled with Regrob has the power to fulfill your wildest dreams. So start entrepreneurship, build a great India.
Thank you, Ashish, for your time, and I would like to again thank all my audience. This would be very short session, and we are trying to give you more information on different micro markets in the coming webinars and live. So stay tuned with us, and we'll try to do it little long in the coming webinars
Yes.
because it was a new initiative by us, me and Ashish personally. Although we can have some more people in the coming webinars, like we have the other founding team with us. Then he will also they will also join us. Then we have different builder lobby people, those who can join us in the near future. And definitely we will take some of the audience in the next session, those who are really interested to know or to have some good questions, or maybe if you guys can give some input after reading about Regrow business model, you can find a lot of information online. I would request my audience to go online, research about Regrow, give us some new ideas. All your ideas are welcome. We are still a startup, and we will be a startup till we will become, 1,000 crores revenue will do next year.
Yeah.
Going forward, thanks to all my audience and Ashish sir for your time. Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks, Sagar. Thanks.